So key points for Krones glass lines, first of all, okay, returnable, because that's a big thing today. It comes again due to sustainability aspects. And when we talk about the new stuff here, it's on one side evolution of machinery, that is what we show, and revolution of machinery. Well, let's for example start at the filling machine with our new electronic filler. That's the one we always had in our portfolio, that once again approved due to, let's say, quality of the product, but also hygiene is a big point. So a complete new hygienic design for this machine. And also when we think about beer improvement from oxygen reduction to consumptions. On the background we see not the evolution, we see the revolution, which is the Dynafill. That's the machine we showed 4 years ago. And now you see it, and this is now going to a serious production with really a revolution in beer filling with a hygienic level we never had before. And that goes through the complete line. If we continue with the bottle washer, here we have many new features, complete servo technology, overall energy concepts for reduced consumptions. A point is microfiltration, what is called the Parsival, to reduce the microparticles. Also, revolution is in regards of empty bottle inspection, which is our Linatronic AI, artificial intelligence, where we really can detect things we never could detect before, and where we can reduce the reject rate by more than 50%. Then we have done an evolution on our labeling machine, the Ergo module, also completely new design. Not to forget our new crate washer, the LinerJet Plus, a premium crate washer concept, which now is a new machine in our portfolio for rough conditions for premium washing quality. In general, and that's important to mention, we go more away from the machines, especially when we think about energy concepts to save media and energy on the factory base for especially bottle washers, pasteurizers, and that, for example, only with the new Dynafill we are able now to fill at 30 degrees for beer, unbeatable size of the machine, and with this concept we really can reduce the water consumption in the lines dramatically. Not to forget our vision, what we are working on for glass, reducing footprint, reduction of media and energy consumption by 40%, new innovative block concepts with hygienic filling solutions to allow production without pasteurizer. That is what we are working on right now, new washing processes, and that is what we will see on the next drinktec.